Hello guys, Assalamualaikum, konnichiwa, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's go learn. Today we're going to learn about how to add two number and C programming. Now at first let's open the code block. So after I have already opened it. Here is the code block, and open and create a new project, new file, empty file. This is where we run the program, write the program, and need to save the program first. Give a name, adding to number, NUMBR number, and for extension you have to give .c, and now save the file. Now let's start. Write hashtag include, then write stdio dot h. Now function name integer main, now for starting, write to second bracket and start the program. Now write give a variable type. I'm using integer variable type, and give a variable name. I'm giving a variable name a, and its value is 20, and I'm using another variable and another variable b, and its value I'm giving c 3. To use another variable c, there is no, I'm not giving a value because in C I'm going to store the sum of a and b. Here C equal to a plus b, and close it with a semicolon. Now write pri and print f and bracket and double quotation, and write the sum of C. The sum of C equal percentage d, percentage d, small d. Here you are guys thinking why I'm giving percentage. Percentage d is a format specifier. It's specifying the it's storing the result of C, and for here we have to give a C. It means that the result of C is storing in here and giving it as a output, and close it with a semicolon and write return to you and return 0, and close it, a semicolon. Now click here, build and run, and let's see. Voila, you guys can see that the sum of C is equal to 23. Now we are C programming, and we can add two number in the compiler. C programming, you become a C programmer. Give yourself a clap, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.